Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. My name is Sridharan Nair. I work with Allen Technology as a business development manager and as a trainer. I've been in IT in UAE for more than 2 decades. The reason of you visiting my channel would be you would have received this message on your WhatsApp, which would have been forwarded by one of your friends. I provide cybersecurity awareness workshop for small, medium businesses and small, medium enterprises, and that is at no cost and no obligation. Confused? Why am I doing this? My vision that I carry across is to safeguard your office data by empowering your team. And if you like what I am providing, and if I'm adding value to your business, you can ask us to be your IT partner, and we are more than happy to do it. Our belief, we believe that IT plays a very important role in business operations. What do we do next? The next step is call on me, email me, WhatsApp me. I'll be more than happy to come back to you with the plan. And the goal is to see that, your IT infrastructure is up to date and it is being taken care by your people. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Do share it across to your friends. Have a lovely day.